welcome. And today, in conversation with, I have an amazing author with me, author Sana. And we are going to talk about her book, her first book. The name of the book is Kuch Alfaz. And the good part of this particular book is this book has won Golden Book Awards 2026. So I'm so glad that author Sana could spend some time and be here with us today to have a conversation. So let's get to her and know more about what this book is all about. So, hi, Sana. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so much
And
for having
so
me.
glad to be here in this conversation.
Thank you very much. Thank you for having me over.
Thank you. So, talking about the book, Kuch Alfaz,
Mhm.
right? So, what this book is all about?
When I was trying to learn how to write, practice, I had this very vague vision about, writing notes. And I used to write it on behind books and on a piece of paper and leave it aside and then forget about it. Then a friend of mine who's from Pune, he convinced me into putting it together, like write it in one place. Then the idea of owning or publishing my book came into my mind. The initial intention of was not recognition, was not acknowledgement, but I wanted to own my piece of work. I wanted to own what I have written as a book. So that's when I decided to publish it. It's a collection of nazms. I've written. It has all kind of genres. You can talk about love, childhood, memory, parenthood, those kind of things where it touches every aspect of your life. Yeah.
Wow, great, great. So, if I'll have to ask you which one is your favorite, I know it's difficult because, like a baby, everything would be your favorite ones, but still, which one is your favorite part?
My favorite one would be मेरे घर की तरफ मुड़ती वो गली. It is about my childhood home, the lane that moves towards my childhood home, and my journey in that house, the memories that I'd captured, that particular lane that gets registered in every person's mind, कि बचपन वाला घर, so that is my favorite.
So, कुछ line अगर आप उस पे बता सकते, because it's actually a very emotional and nostalgic
Very
topic. So, if
of course,
few lines on
of
that.
course, कुछ रास्ते हमेशा याद रहते हैं, जैसे मेरे घर की तरफ मुड़ती वो गली. उस गली में सिमटे हैं कई लम्हे, जितना भी याद करो बहुत कम है. बचपन से लड़कपन तक, लड़कपन से जवानी, मेरे घर की उस गली में बसती है वो कहानी. डरते डरते गिरते पड़ते साइकिल चलाना, क्रिकेट के रन बना के जोर जोर से चिल्लाना, वो तितली पकड़ के दादाजी को दिखाना, रोज घर आकर मम्मी की डांट खाना. So, ऐसी है वो पोएम.
वाओ, वाओ, वंडरफुल. सो इसी तरीके से बहुत अलग-अलग आपने टॉपिक्स
इमोशन
लाइफ
पे लिखे
के
हुए हैं, उसमें कैप्चर करने की
कैप्चर
कोशिश
करने
की
की
है.
कोशिश की है. वंडरफुल. सो किसके लिए है ये बुक?
हर उस इंसान के लिए जो कहीं एक इमोशन को कैप्चर करके रखना चाहता है. अगर आप बुक पढ़ेंगे तो इट इज़ एक्सट्रीमली सिंपल इन लैंग्वेज. बहुत ज़्यादा भारी उर्दू नहीं है, बहुत ज़्यादा भारी हिंदी नहीं है. तो अगर यू डोंट हैव टू बी अ एक्सपर्ट इन लैंग्वेज टू अंडरस्टैंड अ बुक. बहुत ही सिंपल सरल सी लैंग्वेज में लिखी गई है. तो जो नॉन रीडर्स हैं, जो वोरेशियस रीडर्स नहीं हैं, उनके लिए भी पढ़ना बहुत आसान है और इमोशन से रिलेट करना भी बहुत आसान है.
Wonderful, wonderful. So you have been writing since childhood, or this is just the recent found treasure and the passion that you have got?
I think I've been writing since college,
Mm-hmm.
and I think it runs in the blood. My grandmother used to write Urdu short stories in her time in the late 50s.
Wow.
She used to write for a Urdu book, a magazine, I think, short stories. And I realized that my late father also, उनकी कोई कोई notebooks में मैंने कभी कभी कहीं कहीं दो दो अशार लिखे हुए पढ़े हैं. So I think it runs in the blood.
Wow, wow. कहा जाता है कि creativity runs in the blood. So you are a true example of that.
I've been very blessed. That I've got creative genes from both sides of the family. I am an art lover, although by profession I'm an IT professional. But I love doing crochet, needlework, and I find peace in writing. And I don't think there's anything more recreational than writing your emotion onto a piece of plain paper and just create magic.
Right. So, having said that, you are an IT professional. From where do you get time to
Ah,
write?
this question, I will tell you, कल जब मैं छुट्टी लेके आ ही रही थी, I think even my manager was asking कि कहाँ से time निकालती हो तुम? But I think you need to create a balance between life and corporate world. Otherwise, I think life will eat you away. So if you don't find time to do something you love, life बहुत depressing हो जाएगी.
Right, right. So, this is a question that I want people who are listening for them. Many people have this passion of writing. They are writing in the diaries, but then it's like a diary hidden inside their drawers or inside their cupboards. So, from where do they get this courage? Right, you could be an inspiration to them because you have got this courage to publish the book. So, little message for them.
Absolutely. I think अगर लिख रहे हैं तो लिखिए and find a mentor, somebody who can proofread your work, understand कि आपकी language कैसी है, weightage is enough, little bit of editing, read other people's work. People forget कि आप हमेशा दूसरों का कलाम कॉपी करने के लिए नहीं पढ़ते हैं, बट लैंग्वेज के प्रोविंस के लिए पढ़ते हैं, प्रोफिशिएंसी गेन करने के लिए पढ़ते हैं, टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ वर्ड्स फिट वेयर। जैसे आप हिंदी और उर्दू बहुत ज़्यादा मिक्स करेंगे तो इट विल नॉट साउंड गुड, और कभी-कभी अच्छी लगती है, लाइक म्यूज़िक में अच्छी लगती है। व्हेन इट इज़ कंपोज्ड इनटू अ सॉन्ग, हिंदी, उर्दू साउंड्स गुड, बट अब आप पोएट्री में अगर आप रिसाइट कर रहे हैं तो इट माइट होल्ड अ डिफरेंट वेटेज। तो वो समझने के लिए थोड़ा-सा पढ़ना पड़ता है। एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई थिंक अगर कोई मेंटर हो या आप किसी के वर्क को फॉलो करते हैं, तो उसके काम को समझिए एंड देन थोड़ी-सी हिम्मत करनी पड़ती है कि कॉन्फिडेंट इनफ टू ब्रिंग योर वर्क फॉरवर्ड। एंड आई थिंक अपने जानने पहचानने में अच्छे पढ़े लिखे वालों में अगर आप अपनी पोएट्री आगे रखेंगे तो आई एम श्योर यू विल गेन द कॉन्फिडेंस टू पब्लिश।
Wonderful, wonderful. And basically, this book, you have gained the recognition of being awarded at Golden Book Award 2026. So, how does that feel?
Oh, I'm humbled. I'm just genuinely humbled. Even when I was publishing the book and I sent out my draft to I think 2 or 3 publishers. Okay, and I did not expect to hear them back. I heard back in 2 days.
Wow.
I heard back in 2 days, and then I just went ahead with what I thought was appropriate. But then I realized that, all right, people would want to read, and I'm sure publishers are also looking at art and they read more things than we do. Then I realized that, okay, I can write. थोड़ा सा और लिख लेते हैं, like that. So I'm extremely humbled. I didn't expect it, so I'm humbled.
Great. So, any other editions or any other book in pipeline?
Yes, I've recently started working on it. Maybe by next year, I plan to publish another one.
Okay. So, again, on the same genre or?
On the same genre, for now, I'm thinking I'll go with one particular genre, but let's see how it shapes up. Too early to say, but that's the idea.
Okay. Great.
That's the idea.
Great. So, if anyone wants to pick up this book, so how do they go about?
The book is available in all forums. It's there on Amazon, it's there on Flipkart. The digital versions are available in Google Play Store, as well as Kindle version is available.
Wow, wow. So, if anyone wants to pick up this book, you know what you have to do. In the description box, all the links are shared. So, you just have to go click on the link and it will take you to the book purchasing cart. So, what you have to do, just click on the buy button and it will take you to the book directly. So, you'll get a lot of insights about Kuch Alfaz, wherein one of it has been shared by the author herself. For more, you have to buy the book. All right. And if anyone wants to connect to you,
Mhm.
how do they do that?
I'm currently writing under the pen name called Zikernama on Instagram, so they can reach out to me.
Right.
There.
So your Instagram link could also be shared in the
Shared.
description box so
Will
people
do.
can connect with you. All right. And any message that you would want to share it with the viewers and the readers?
I think poetry is one medium that I realized, not just writing. Writing doesn't come to everybody naturally, but if you can write, you should. If you can't, then you should read. reading not only expands your helps you connect with your emotions. Sometimes आप अपने emotions को lock करके रख लेते हैं. No, it's not easy for people to emote. तो जब आप ऐसा कुछ पढ़ते हैं जिससे आप relate कर पाएँ, so it's a sort of therapeutic. So I think people should read more.
Wonderful, wonderful. And what is your go-to destination when you are stressed and when you want to let it out? So do you write or do you read?
I write. I write, and that's when I think the emotions are at heightened space. So at that time मैं ज़्यादा उस पे नहीं ध्यान देती हूँ कि लैंग्वेज कहाँ जा रही है और क्या वर्ड यूज़ हो रहा है, but I just scribble the emotion so that I don't lose that thought, and then I can work on the edit later. So I do that, and अगर बहुत ज़्यादा मूड खराब हो तो I paint.
Wow. Yes. So, I mean, you are a creative person.
I'm a creative.
It's either writing and it's either
Yeah, it's art. I realize कि अगर if you need to disconnect from your daily mundane life, then you need to switch to something that will completely absorb you. So ऐसा कुछ करना आसान होता है.
right. So, you are an example because as a professional, you are working into the IT industry, but
Mhm.
like you have not left your passion, you have not left that creative angle. Because what happens is, बचपन में तो हम सब creative होते हैं, but the moment we start going towards the adulthood, then we pack all the stuff inside a bag and then keep it aside somewhere and totally forget about it.
Absolutely.
But then,
I've done that too. I've forgotten it for a few years. And then I realized I'm losing touch with myself. I mean, in order to find myself, I found my words and I found my colors. And I realized that life is much better that way.
what was that moment when it hits you that no, I have to get back to what was packed?
Exhaustion, I think.
Mm.
When, I mean, you're young, but you're working so hard to build a career, you know, to manage family, and you see your aging parents. It's very exhausting. It's very exhausting. And then I realized, ki, why is it this exhausting? I'm not that old, you know. What am I chasing? So I said, I think जिंदगी जी लेनी चाहिए. गुजारने से क्या होता है? तो थोड़ी सी लाइफ जीने के लिए आपको you need to pick pieces of yourself to put them together.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much
Thank you.
for sharing such beautiful messages with us and taking us through the ride of the Nazm that
Mhm.
you have written. And it's wonderful talking to you. And congratulations once again on winning Golden Book Award 2020.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you very much.